Hello, I'm here with Jere Julian from Arista Networks. Jere, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
So, everybody's talking DevOps these days. Seems like it's starting to go mainstream, but also change the definition, bring in new players, maybe move away from old ways. What does DevOps mean for you?
Well, to me, it's about culture. It's about bringing people together and learning new ways to do things, to collaborate, and working in cross-functional teams. So for the network, that's a new thing. The server guys, the application guys have gotten that now for the most part, but that's very new in the network world. So for us, it's a big step to break out of that old set of old ways.
So tell me a little bit about what that process looks like for you right now, both at Arista and then what you're seeing with the end users that you work with. How are you starting to implement and execute some of those DevOps practices and then deliver that at the end of the day?
Well, one of the keys as a vendor is to ensure that we have good APIs, good capability to automate. By being able to integrate with systems like Chef and other tools easily, that makes the job of the network engineer easier when they're making those transitions. Being able to use things like a common Linux core for our operating system makes it very easy to pull in Chef right onto our systems.
And how long have you been working with Chef?
Just about a year.
And tell me what your experience has been like from day one to now.
It's actually been really pleasant. There are a few things that have been stumbling blocks in the learning experience, but with Chef 12 and the custom resources, that's made life so easy, along with good APIs to build the tools that we need to provide network engineers what they need.
If you were in charge of the Chef roadmap, where do we take it from here?
I think is to build out the breadth of support for a hyper-converged infrastructure. Being able to, as they say, manage all the things. If we can do that in a cohesive manner, then now you have the ability to deploy all of your core infrastructure up from network to storage to servers to your applications end to end.
Automate all the things. Well, Jere, I really appreciate you spending the time with us today. This has been awesome. Hopefully we have no fires to fight in the near future. And thank you so much for taking the time with me.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.